With seating and sleeping for all your family and friends, the Windsport 33X has all the room you want, which is why it is the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan.
With room for everyone in the Windsport, where is your favorite spot going to be? At the multi-purpose Dream Dinette? Perfect for dinner around the table and sharing stories. Maybe it's over here on the sofa. This is a great spot for catching a movie on the TV with Blu-ray player. The captain's chairs also swivel, so seating is never an issue. Neither is room to sleep in the 33X, as the sofa and dinette quickly convert into beds. And don't forget, the Windsport comes standard with a drop-down overhead bunk. From the microwave, down to the 3-burner gas cooktop with oven, over to the double-bowl stainless steel sink set into the solid surface countertops and the residential fridge, the kitchen in your 33X is equipped to feed the crew. In the bedroom, you'll find a cozy king-size bed, a large closet here, another over here. You have these great nightstands with charging ports, a TV, and the Windsport is prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. The bathroom offers you a large shower with skylight and standard glass door. You have a stainless steel sink, all the storage you could want in a bathroom, and the 360 siphon keeps your Windsport fresh. You are in control with the app-enabled multiplex wiring system. From the full-color touchscreen on your phone or tablet, set your auto-gen start, put out slides, check your tank levels, turn on the inverter, even adjust the climate, and your Windsport is solar ready. All you need to do is add a panel. When you're on the road, the Triton V10 with 320 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque powers you down the highway. From the driver's seat, the 10-inch touchscreen features navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and is your side and rear view camera monitor. The passenger flip-up workstation with 110 and 12-volt outlets makes it easy to check the forecast when you're connected to the Wi-Fi Ranger Wi-Fi extender. Step outside and the Windsport is ready for work with all these roomy storage bays. And the 33X is always ready for you to have some fun. You have a power patio with LED lighting, exterior TV with soundbar on a swivel, and a quick connect propane connection. There is no better time to gather up family and friends and hit the road. This is the Windsport 33X. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.